Let me introduce you to the new Tweed District Rescue 3. This new vehicle, Tweed District Rescue, is the result from the loss that we suffered in the 2022 floods. We had a number of vehicles that was lost in that floods, which devastated our area, and through commitments of our community partners and the generosity of other community members, this is the result in replacing that asset. So what we've ended up with today is an extended chassis V6 Volkswagen Amarok XXL. It's allowed us to fit a whole lot more gear on board, to carry more crew, to carry more gear, more weight, in comfort, and also with added safety features. I'll show you around our vehicle with additional slides holding new battery operated equipment. We have toolboxes to house our drills. We are able to fit a single piece Stokes litter for patient handling. Ladders. We have dry, secure storage for all our vertical rescue equipment. We have additional storage underneath our tray here, which houses our turfer winch and stabilisation and other things. Fire extinguishers. We also have stop and go signs and brooms. This side is predominantly for road crash rescue, where we house our Lucas E3 battery operated hydraulic rescue tools. We have glass management and other hand assortment tools and safety equipment. This vehicle has replaced a traditional two-seater vehicle. So by allowing us to fit more people safely in this vehicle, we are able to respond to emergencies for the community in better and safer times. This project simply wouldn't have come together without the generous support from our community and business partners. Volkswagen Australia, Adaptive Manufacturing, High Drive, and also VRA Rescue New South Wales. On behalf of myself and Tweed Rescue, I'd like to wish you all a very merry and safe Christmas.